Okay, so everyone, what we had left last time was until the registration, and you received an email where it was stated that you have been registered successfully. Okay, on your email, you must have seen a link which says visit here. Now that visit here is a direct link to the dashboard, to your particular dashboard. That is one way to go to your dashboard, and the other way is normally when you are using bhendi-bazaar.com. This is how you can log in. You can come to bhendi-bazaar.com. You can go to my account. Over here, you need to go to login, which is invoke 53, right? And here's our password. All right, let's say login. This is how your dashboard will look like. Okay, and there are a lot of things on your dashboard, like what was the sales, how much did you earn, how many things did you sell, what were the things that you sold, how many orders did you receive. This is how your dashboard looks. On the left you will see the menu. There are different kind of things on your menu also. Okay, what products are selling good, that also you'll come to know with the graphs. All right, right now I think this dashboard will be more filled up once you have started selling on bhendi-bazaar.com. So right now let's go to products. This is how we start from the scratch. You go to products, you say add new. Okay, normally whatever your product is, let's assume that right now your product is a simple product. It's a single gown, or okay, a single gown which you want to sell. We will say it's a simple product. You have choices here saying variable product or a grouped product. Variable product is when you have attributes such as colors or sizes. Okay, and right now we'll say simple product. We'll say catalog, and the title of the product, um, let's say formal dress. Okay, the price of which is around 3,500. In case you want to keep a sale, because the sale items does show on Bhendi-Bazaar with a tag saying sale and what percentage of sale is that. So in case you want to keep a sale price, you can keep that. Let's say we are keeping a sale and selling it in 3,250 as of now. All right, so you need to keep a short description. Let's say this is a cream color formal dress. Okay, this is a short description which will show just beside your photo. All right, and you have a bigger description here. This is which will come below the photograph, below the product, and it will be a little extra description. Now you can fill in whatever the dress is about. Okay, here we come up again. We upload a photo of the product. Over here you need to upload the, yeah, your gallery right now is empty. Okay, normally what we see would be media library. This is what we would see, but for right now you have no items in your library, so you will see it empty. So we will go to upload files. We will say select files, and let's select a nice dress from here. um, so sorry, I don't have a dress actually. um, okay, we can take this. Okay, it's uploaded. There we go. All right, and then this is the gallery of that particular product. Okay, now this is a frock, and I would definitely want some 3 or 4 angles of that dress. Unfortunately, I don't have 3 or 4 angles of the particular dress that I have put in my gallery right now. So what I'll do is I'll again select the same. Okay, but please everyone, I want you to have at least 3 to 4 angles of the photo of the product whenever you are taking the photograph. Okay, so right now I'm just putting the same photo in the gallery. Okay, over here catalog visibility is the, if you just keep it shop and search results, always it's better. If you don't want to show your products, you can say hidden, but obviously you want to show your products and you want to show it in the shop as well as in the search results, so we just keep it shop and search results. All right, go ahead. Okay, we give a unique SKU number. Okay, you say manage stock. It is, we use manage stock when you have a number of products. Like for example, I have only one piece in this frock, or I have around 5 pieces in this frock, and after five I don't have much. So normally I say manage stock, and I would say a one piece. Okay, and if in case I have a lot of it, like I have something a generic product and which is always in stock, so I would say no need to manage stock, and I would always say it as in stock. You also have a choice saying out of stock or on back order. On back order is something which we are not proposing right now. So we just either have to say in stock or out of stock. Okay, that is when you don't want to manage the stock, when you always have it in ample. But when you want to manage a stock, it's supposed to be one. Okay, you will have to say no, do not allow in back orders, because that is not something that we are supporting right now. And then we go to shipping. Shipping, it's a must that you put up the kg. Like let's say it's a 1 kg. That frock might be a 1 kg after making, after packing it. So this is the reason we do have to put weight, because that is how we are going to calculate the courier charges. Okay, if you have put the weight, it is completely all right if you don't put the dimensions. But if it is something that is occupying space, for example, if it's a box and which needs a proper packing, so you'll have to put the dimensions also. Okay, okay, shipping class, you need not select anything. You need to select the processing time, because whatever time you will select over here for this particular product is what will show to the customer. Okay, so right now I'm keeping it as ready to ship in. Tax status, let's always keep it taxable and always keep it standard. Okay, attributes is something when you have to select color or size. This will be applicable only for variable products. For this, I will send you one more video in case you have something which has colors or sizes. Right now in this video, we will not do the we will not do it for a variable product. Okay, so and one more thing that you need to do is in the category. Okay, you can also put in tags over here, like say dress is a tag, color cream, right? So cream is a tag. You just give 2 or 3 tags to your product. Okay, so here we can just what we can do is, now the product is already completed. Your add new product is completed. You just have to say submit for review. Once you hear the sound, product successfully submitted, you are done with it. Okay, now it's our turn now. We are going to review the product. We'll put it into the suitable category, and then we will be able to, you will be able to see your product on the website. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye bye.